In this video, I draw more details of the eyes and I reveal my special technique of using pasty eraser. Hello, this is Nafis and you're watching the second part of drawing Harry Potter's portrait tutor. I start with the shading top of the eyes and the brow bone with a brush and charcoal powder. This is how I determine the place and shape of the eyebrows. I draw darker parts little by little and then fade them each time. I shade darker under the upper eyelid and on the top of the lower eyelid. Sometimes I take the brush to the parts that I feel need correction. With a pale pencil, I draw fine lines as the veins of the eyes. Then I fade them and make them lighter. With a pointed eraser, I lighten the parts that are more prominent and have more lights. It's too important drawing in layers, checking the darks and lights each time, and adding more details. Pasty eraser creates a very smooth shine. You can put pasty eraser on the pencil to make it better and easier to use. Thank you for subscribing. Now, how to draw eyebrows. First, I take a small amount of powder with a small sized brush and test the color on the separate paper, then I brush the eyebrows in the direction of the growth. This was the first layer of eyebrow drawing. Second, draw the hairs with a pale pencil and make them darker according to the reference. If needed, make sure that the first and last strands of hairs are thinner. And at last, fade the eyebrows with the brush. There are different techniques for drawing eyebrows. What techniques do you use? Well, the first layer of the eyebrows is finished. Be sure to activate the bell to watch the full portrait. Thanks for watching!